Hello, my name is Andy Martin, Senior Product Design Engineer, Stove Fan Company. I would like to introduce our stove fan thermometer. What the thermometer does basically is it helps you control the actual stove so your stove is not getting too hot. Basically this runs from around 120 up to about 230 degrees. That's the green area on it. You should be controlling your stove within that temperature range. So to control your stove basically is the air intake normally at the bottom. That controls how fast your wood's burning or your coals is burning. The upper section basically should never get into the red, right? So if you're getting into the red, basically it's excessive heat to your stove itself, which basically can cause damage to the stove. It can cause cracking to the stove. It can cause damage to the inner baffle plate, basically which directs the actual smoke up to the chimney itself. This simply just put it next to the hottest part of your stove, which is where the flue pipe is. Put it on top of the stove, and then just let it sit there and it'll show you the temperature. If it goes into the red, then you need to cut down the amount of air that's coming into the stove, and if it's into the black at the bottom, then you need to basically open the stove up a little bit so it burns a little bit harder. But just keep a look at it now and again basically, and you can just check to see how it's burning and how to control the stove. Thank you very much.